You've gotten multiple repair quotes now, and all of them are very, very different. Why are they different? One says fix it all, one says fix some of it, one says wait. It's honestly very confusing and very stressful for you as a homeowner. The biggest question you're asking yourself right now is, if I called out so many different experts, why are they all disagreeing? I'm Austin with Anchor Foundation Repair, and while myself, I may not have been doing this job for decades, but Anchor Foundation Repair has been around for decades, and we have seen just about every house there is here in the Brazos Valley, and I've seen just about every quote that other companies provide here in our area. So to answer your question, different companies are going to have different materials, methods, and mindsets. Not every company is going to be doing the exact same repair the exact same way. It's going to be different based on company to company. Some companies have the fix-it-all approach, like, hey, we're gonna fix everything while we're here. Others may see it's okay to wait, or maybe just fix some of the house. Neither is necessarily wrong. It just depends on what your house truly needs and what's really going on with your home. If you're getting mixed messages and are feeling the stress and worry starting to sink in, don't do that. If you're here in our area, we are more than happy to take a look at your home and tell you what's really going on and help you out and assist you in any way that we possibly can. We're also gonna put a link down below in the description, so go click the link and figure out how we do foundation repair the right way here at Anchor Foundation Repair.